Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You begin by locking down the essentials: genre, tone, reader, and 3 core themes so the AI has constraints to work within. Next, you write a 1-paragraph premise and a short synopsis to guide plot choices. Once done, select the model and prompt style, then seed the project with a first scene prompt or 501,000 word starter. This immediate output becomes your raw draft to refine. Make sure to save versions and note the prompt that produced the best. Now you build the spine. Convert the synopsis into acts, chapters, and 10 to 20 scene goals so the AI writes toward clear endpoints. Use targeted prompts for character arcs, conflict escalation, and sensory detail rather than broad commands. This yields focused scenes. Once you have seen drafts, run iterative passes, outline, draft, then revision notes, so each pass tightens plot and voice. Make sure to compare outputs, merge best lines, and preserve the strongest character beats as you progress. To finish, you perform a high-level edit focusing on theme consistency, pacing, and a satisfying resolution so the AI's ideas cohere into a novel. Then line edit for voice, grammar, and transitions. Invite human beta readers for clarity. If you encounter repetition or drift, troubleshoot by reseeding key scenes, constraining prompts with stricter instructions, or reverting to an earlier version that worked better. Finally, export a clean manuscript and document the prompt set that produced the best results for future use.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.